Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to our next video. Trini fishing adventure and camping. So here we're going on. Right now today is Sunday, tomorrow is Diwali, and rain decide where we end up coming down with a storm. Really see. Right now the whole road by me here flood out. We went to negotiate to come back, we went to get a tank of gas. And we see real water coming through Lime Road. I have a little small clip to show you guys, so I'm going to literally upload it and put together everything. And so stay tuned. I have a lot more coming for you guys. Christmas time, we're going up camping, so stay tuned for this one. This one gonna be epic. We're gonna be out there for a whole week. Real things going on happen, real fun. You can see real thing going on happen. This one gonna be a little different. Wasn't really expecting it, but it's gonna have two parts of this. So I'll stay tuned. Christmas coming, guys. This is gonna be real epic. So I'll stay tuned. Gonna put together a little small clip for you guys. So I'll stay tuned. William. Very nice. The water right through. Real water. All the rain done overflow already. But they don't flood out water. Real water in the road.